appreciate our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for making himself available to serve this country at this auspicious time. A time when the youth of this country and the younger generation need and desire a right direction. He is here as a president and as a father, giving Nigeria a good sense of direction, identifying our problems and providing solutions to it in all ramifications. Today we are here, we have declared our nominee, Prince Abubakar Shuaibu Audu, and he has performed excellently well. This is a display of talent hunting by Mr. President. He has identified talent, and by the special grace of God, we that are assisting in helping him to hunt for such talent, we appreciate him so much. And that is why you can see the quality of men and women that is bringing together from across the country to form the next cabinet. And by the special grace of God, I am very confident that Prince Shaibu is going to perform excellently well in any portfolio that will be given to him to serve this country and to make Nigeria and Nigerians proud. Particularly, we in Eastern. I sincerely appreciate Mr. President for giving us this opportunity, and we are not going to take it for granted.
Excellency, are you satisfied with the way this is doing this?
I will extend my appreciation to the Senate President and the whole Hello Chamber and the Senators completely. They are doing a job that Nigerians are happy with. The conduct of the screening exercise, the questions that are being put forward to all the nominees, especially questions put forward to my nominee today, and the way and manner he handled it professionally and excellently. My nominee is not riding on his father's pedigree. He is building himself, and you can see his performance today. So I thank the Senate President, and for helping to bring out the best in him, and for the whole world to see that he is a man of integrity, very humble, ready to serve this country, a man who is paying his tax. He is not a tax evader. He's paying his tax, meaning he is ready to serve this country. I sincerely appreciate the Senate President and all the senators put together who ask questions and who has accolades on himself and his nomination. I sincerely appreciate it.
Thank you.